Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We got another awesome news, guys. So for those of you who are on the verge of buying a Tesla, here's an awesome news. Okay, so let's go to the X, and according to this to Mr. Sawyer, he posted this. Okay, so there's Tesla now lowers the APR to 0.99%, which is awesome. So this means the monthly car payment before any incentives and saving is now 15% lower than it was yesterday. For example, monthly car payment before the special loan rate of 0.99 APR, the Model Y long range rear wheel drive is $706 a month. The Model Y long range all wheel drive $756 a month, and the Model Y performance $815 a month. Now, with the 0.99%, the Model Y long range rear wheel drive will be $600 a month, and the long range all wheel drive $643 a month, and the performance is $693 a month. That's awesome. And check this out, all these figures do not include the $7,500 federal EV tax credit or the probable gas and maintenance savings. We don't really care about that. This is what we look at. So it's a lot of savings. All right, so actually if we're gonna go to, so here, starting today, which is May 10th, Tesla is offering a loan rate 0.99% APR for all new Model Y finance orders in the US. So I think for Tesla to do this, I don't think they're outsourcing to Wells Fargo or any other company. I think most likely this is through Tesla financing. And promotional rates applies to finance terms from 36 to 72 months for new vehicles. Order must be placed by March 31st, 2024 to be eligible. Oh, so this was it must be placed by. It didn't say must take delivery by. So again, just like any quarter, any month, if Tesla wanted to increase their sales, they will just provide incentives for us to buy them. So let's go to the website back again here. So this is the Tesla website. You can see here the advertised right here. Monthly payment $399 and APR 0.99%. So let's pretend if we're going to order one and we're going to see the difference. This is the rear wheel drive. So let's say that if I were to go with we're going to do the cheapest one, which is the long range rear wheel drive, $399 a month financing. So, okay, so we go down. We're just going to pick everything basic included, right? 19-inch M&I, black. None of that. Let's go add it to the order. As you can see here, it tells you specifically it qualifies for the 7,500, and then sometimes it might have it in inventory. So here is what's the design of your vehicles and all the stuff, right? All the goodies and the price and everything. So about $37,000. Okay, we're not looking at this gas saving. And then if you're going to go to here, the terms apply. This is where we get to play with the numbers. So under finance, you can see that Tesla want you to put $4,250 and down payment, and this is going to be for 72 months. And you can see the terms here, it's 0.99%, and the amount financed will be $42,130. And that's going to be, your monthly payment will be $603, but after the federal tax credit, it'll be $499. That's awesome. And then just hit continue. But let's say, what if you don't want to, let's say if you want to put zero down. Zero. Right? Zero down. And let's see how much your monthly payment will be. If you do zero down payment, your monthly pay will be $664, and after the federal tax credit, it'll be $560. That's still a pretty good deal. So you can make this even sweeter if you go to longer term. Let's say for some people say, hey, you know what, that's still a little bit too much for me. I want lower the monthly payment. Is it even possible? So as you can see, once I clicked on the 84 months, the APR went from 0.99% to 2.99%. And your monthly payment will be $613 and then $524, which is after the federal tax credit. But then you see that here, it's a bit more. let's say that if you go back instead of 62, you go, what if you go on 60 months? 60 months, then you get 0.99%. I think you can go all the way to 36 months. You get to still 0.99. I think only the 84 months, that's when it jumped to 2.99%. Okay, so usually Tesla does not allow you to do zero down payment, but apparently it does allow you to do it. So let's say that if you would do just a regular 72 months for this one, and you can end up with a 0.99%, and let's say pretend if we were to continue and see what kind of thing we're going to have. Okay, so here it's going to ask you to see if you qualify. So most likely, I did this before with my my first Tesla Model Y, and it went through like really fast. But that was through through Wells Fargo. So I don't know how fast it's going to be. But yeah, so that's pretty cheap. That's good news. So let's say that if you want something instead of, let's see, in my case, I want to do a comparison to see if it even makes sense, or see how much saving I'm getting with this one right here. So as you can see right here, let's see. Let's go with 60 months. All right. So if I were to buy this vehicle today, zero down payment for 60 months, 0.99%, and finance will be $49,380, right? And the monthly payment will be $844, and after the federal tax credit, $719, which is cheaper than what I have now, what I'm paying now. That is crazy, because right now I'm paying what, like 3.49%. At that time, I think it was already really good, but 0.99%. I don't know. Maybe I should go or trade in my car and then buy this one. Who knows? But let's see if I can do the performance. Is it going to be the same price or higher? So if with the performance, zero down, everything 52 finance, and my monthly payment will be what, $779? It's still lower than what I'm paying right now. So I might even go trade in my car and get this car, and then just pay for another, what, 70 months. I don't know. Very tempting. Yeah, but that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So if you are on the verge of buying a Tesla, wow, what more are you expecting? You know, it's unexpected, but Tesla keep on, you know, making, you know, give us incentive where it's hard for us to not buy them, you know. But 0.99% in this at this time is really rare. I don't think you can find anywhere that will finance you at that rate at all. Okay, so I think Tesla just want to push out there, get a lot of sales by their quarter ends, and that's why they're doing what they're doing. All right, so yeah, thank you for watching, guys. If you have any questions regarding about this, feel free to leave a comment below. But other than that, take care, be safe, see you next time.